grabbing. Just look. You're a pretty bird. You got him all over her.
No, Dev. Don't touch him. He'll bite you.
This bird bites me.
Aiden.
You can show him your
Aiden.
food.
I'm scared of him.
Why? Just walk closely and stick the food out.
I wanna pet him. Can I?
Now
No,
let
you
Aiden.
cannot touch him, Aiden. He'll bite you. But you can watch him.
I mean, feed one. Oh, hey, another one wants one.
Let Aiden hold it now and let Aiden try to take the bird. Just pull it down and give it. Let Aiden hold it. Don't drop it, Aiden. That one wants some. No, it does not. He's hungry.
He's too hungry. Have all of it.
You want to feed a birdie? Okay, Aiden, let it Devin feed the birdie now.
He wants a little more.
Okay, let Devin feed the birdie.
Can I feed him that? Don't drop it. That guy wants some. That guy wants some.
Don't drop it. Got,
Now they're going to try and eat you, Devin.
Don't fly him. That's why she said don't drop.
Okay.